If you are scared about your Jan 2026 result, if you have studied but you feel that you are not confident, if you feel that you have forgotten all your FR concept, trust me, this announcement can change your result. I am announcing a Saaransh practice batch for CA Final Financial Reporting for May 2026 and all onward attempts. It is not a crash batch, it is not a marathon batch. It is a structured restart program for all the students who want to write in May 2026 or any onward attempt. This batch is 100% free. Yes, my dear student, 100% free if you attend live on YouTube. Timing will be 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Listen carefully again. Free batch is available only for live viewers. It means once the live streaming is over, video will be removed from the YouTube and then again it will never be uploaded in the YouTube. Free batch is available only for those students who are dedicated, determined, consistent, willing to attend on timely basis every day, willing to complete the entire FR batch in a disciplined manner. If you are not disciplined, you need to pay for that. If you are disciplined, if you want to become C in the next attempt, if you are consistent, a free gift from my side. If you want to study at your own time, watch recorded classes, not as per your own convenience. Paid option will be available. Listen carefully from my point of view. Discipline is paid. Convenience is not. I completely understand that many of you are disciplined, but due to work or personal schedule, you may not be able to attend live classes from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. But please trust me, I can't make my recorded classes available for free for everyone because there are many students who have already joined my paid batches with the same facility and I must maintain fairness and value for those students. This batch is specially designed for point number 1, students who have written their exam in Jan 2026 and they feel they may not clear. Students who have taken their classes long back and now they feel that they have forgotten the entire FR concept. Students who want to restart FR completely. Students who will be appearing for May 2026 or September 2026 and want to practice in a disciplined way. Listen carefully. Anyone who appeared for Jan 2026 and if they feel they may not clear, don't waste your time. 2.5 hours, come with me, practice FR again. If you pass, very good. If you don't pass, you're already prepared for next attempt. This only you need to understand. This free batch is only for you. Now what you'll get in this batch? You'll get full coverage of syllabus, concept from zero level but from examination point of view, full question practice, all the expected questions will be taken, 2.5 hours during the class, and 1 hour I'll give you self-practice. I will give you many questions which you'll do by your own. Full examination approach, doubt support till you pass. I hope I have covered everything. But listen carefully, this is not a crash batch, this is not a marathon batch, this is a restart program for you all. Now what is the commencement date of this batch? The batch is going to commence from 1st of Feb 2026. Save this date. On and around, I will take 100 hours to 120 hours to complete the entire batch. So what is the date of commencement? The batch is going to commence on 1st of Feb 2026. Hence, we are meeting on that date on YouTube Live. Do comment in the comment box how many of you are going to attend live on YouTube. This batch will be conducted in English language. All the explanation will be given only in English. I am comfortable in teaching both in Hindi as well as English. But I know any student who understands Hindi can follow English very easily. But any student whose mother tongue is not Hindi will not be able to understand Hindi. So to make the batch inclusive, fair, comfortable for all the students across India, the medium of instruction in this batch will be English only. Fair enough. For this batch, I'll provide soft copy of all my entire book. I'll provide soft copy of my Ind AS Saaransh book, question bank and MCQ booklet. If you want to take printout, you can take easily printout from the PDF whatever has been provided to you. But when you will take printout, it will come in black and white. Hence, if you want to buy my colored hard book, you can buy from website. For recorded class student, don't at all worry, you will be provided hard book also. Now for backup, listen carefully. If you want to attend live on YouTube, no backup will be provided. You miss the class, you miss it completely. Means you need to be disciplined on a consistent basis. For recorded class student, you will be provided 1.5 view with 6-month validity. Now most important doubt clarification for student who want to attend live on YouTube, nothing to worry, all the doubt will be solved during the class only. Now for the student who want to listen recorded classes, for them we'll provide a dedicated Telegram group for all the subject related doubts. For them, we'll also conduct live Zoom sessions for their mentorship and guidance so that they are also on track. Now let me give you some clarification about fee. For any student who want to attend live on YouTube, it is completely free batch. Once again, I will say no fee will be demanded. But if you want to buy my hard book, it is available on my website. You can purchase my combo book at 2,500. It is combo. Combo means Ind AS Saaransh book plus question bank. However, you can buy only Ind AS Saaransh book only question bank that is also available in my website. Once again, I will say buying of hard book is only an option because soft copy will be provided to you. From that soft copy, you can easily take the printout. Okay. Now coming to recorded class student, if you want to buy the lectures with soft copy, the price will be 2,999, and if you want to buy with hard book, the price will be 4,999. And this price is only for limited period. Limited period. So if you want to buy recorded class, buy as soon as possible. A very important announcement for mentorship program. As you all know that I conduct two type of mentorship program. One is free, one is paid for every attempt. If you want to join my free mentorship program for FA subject, you can join the WhatsApp group. The link of that group is given in the description of this particular video. If you are attending my live lectures free, you also join my free mentorship group. Trust me, all your doubts after the class will be handled in that group. For the first time, we are conducting paid mentorship program for all the subjects with a highly dedicated mentor, highly qualified, highly professional. Trust me, with that mentor along with me will help you to crack May 2026 exam. If you want to get details of paid mentorship program, you can join our free mentorship group, and in that comment you want to join paid mentorship program, you'll get the details of paid mentorship program. Okay sir. Now how to register for the batch? If you want to register for the paid batch, you can register through my website. The link of the registration is given in the description of this particular video. But if you want to attend live on YouTube, you need to fill one Google form. That is very, very important. Do fill the Google form for getting all the details about my YouTube live session. The link of the Google form is also given in the description of this particular video. If you have any other query, you can contact my team member. The number of my team member is 8766246684 965222994. Okay, understood. I hope everything is clear. This batch is not about free or paid. The batch is about discipline, consistency, and respect about your own dream. Whatever you choose, whether free or paid, choose with your own commitment. I am here to guide you. Now it is your own decision, whatever you want to choose. All the best for your exam.